You are watching part 1 of the video series on Terraform. Terraform tips and tricks can help you write more efficient, maintainable, and effective Terraform configurations. Here are some tips and tricks to enhance your Terraform workflow. Use variables wisely. First, instead of hard-coding values, use variable files, variables.tf, terraform.vars, to define and manage your variables. Second, use environment-specific variable files, dev.vars, prod.vars, to manage environment-specific configurations. Leverage data sources. Utilize Terraform data sources to fetch information from existing resources, like AWS S3 bucket details, without having to hardcode them. Modularize your configurations to promote reusability and maintainability. Compose modules to create higher-level abstractions for complex infrastructure setups. Conditional resource creation. Use count and for_each to conditionally create multiple instances of a resource based on a condition or a list. Use count.index to generate unique names or values for resources in a loop. Use Terraform functions. First, string functions. Use functions like join, format, and substr to manipulate strings in your configurations. Second, list and map functions. Use functions like element, index, and keys to work with lists and maps. Terraform state management. First, store your Terraform state file in a remote backend, like AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, for better collaboration and security. Second, enable state locking to prevent concurrent modifications to the state. Terraform output formatting. Use the output block in your configuration to format and display specific values from your resources, like IP addresses, DNS names. Use Terraform CLI features. Use Terraform FMT to format your Terraform configuration files according to Terraform style conventions. Use Terraform Validate to validate the syntax and configuration of your Terraform files. Use Terraform Plan to preview the changes that Terraform will make to your infrastructure. Version control. Store your Terraform configurations in version control, like Git, to track changes and enable collaboration. Error handling. Use ignore_changes to prevent certain attributes of a resource from being considered when determining if a resource needs to be updated. Use the lifecycle block to configure certain lifecycle behaviors for a resource, such as preventing it from being destroyed. By applying these tips and tricks, you can enhance your Terraform workflow and create more efficient and maintainable infrastructure configurations. Hope this was helpful for you. Please check out our playlist for more videos. And also like and subscribe our channel for more such informative content. Good luck.